Welcome back to ElectroWorks. Today we're diving into a tool that every electronics beginner should know, breadboards. This episode will cover how breadboards work, how to use them, and why they're perfect for experimenting with circuits. A breadboard is a reusable platform that makes it easy to build and test circuits without soldering. It's perfect for trying out different designs and learning how circuits come together. Let's take a closer look at how a breadboard is laid out. It has two main sections. The power rails on the sides, which are typically marked with red for positive and blue for negative, and the center area, where the rows connect components. The columns in the center connect horizontally across each row, so any component in a single row is connected electrically. If you want to connect different parts of the board or components together, use jumper wires, like this one right here. They come in many variable sizes and colors, but they all work the same way. They have little ends that you can stick into the breadboard, which connect it electrically. So you basically jump the connection. That's why they're called jumper wires. To add a component, insert its leads into different rows. For example, if we place a resistor across two rows, it connects only those two rows together. Components can bridge different parts of the board, creating pathways for electricity. The middle ditch is there so you can use microcontrollers, because if the ditch wasn't there, the microcontroller's pins would connect to each other, which would make it unusable. Let's build a quick circuit to demonstrate. We'll add an LED and resistor in series, using the power rails to make connections. Connect the positive rail to the resistor to the LED, and the LED back to the negative rail. Once we connect the battery, the LED lights up, completing the circuit. This shows how easy it is to create and test circuits on a breadboard. And that's a quick overview of breadboards. They're essential for prototyping and experimenting, making it simple to build and learn. If this video helped, feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly electronics projects here on ElectroWorks.